Ace Banks on the track.
What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Me and Unc over here. Gonna take the Nova to this new home. Maybe a good thing, maybe a bad thing. But let's get it started, man. Let me get these keys. I gotta take this Nova to this new home, man. See what's up. Go ahead and jump it. We gotta jump it, y'all. Alright. Okay. Alright, go ahead and pop it now. Positive, negative. Yeah. Negative.
Now, what you got hit on here, Joe?
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna just go for a ride before I take it to this new home. Yep. Take y'all with me on the ride. It's Nova, man. I'm coming. Where you at? I know. I need to make sure my door locked. It's the last time it'll be at that garage, man. Taking it to his new home. That damn pothole I hit right there. Gas pothole. You in that Chevy, how you like it, huh?
Yes, sir. Ready for the road.
Like I said, y'all, taking it to a new home. If y'all here for the first time, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. First, I'm gonna go for a ride before I drop it off to his new home. Take y'all with me. We in traffic, y'all. Alright, y'all, this is where the Nova, the new home. New garage, new workshop. New Nova on Rucci garage. Got my workbench over here. I have to clean that off. Organize all my tools and shit. Appreciate y'all watching. Bringing more content out this garage. Holla back.
Ace Banks on the track.